contingent of Malaybalay, so gisundan sa Quezon. Maabot na sa panglaing contingent karon nga buntag para sa atong ground presentation dinhi sa Malaybalay City Bukidnon. Salamat kayo sa tanan nga aniya naglantaw sa among live diri sa Kuya Luloy ug Ate Sanara. Live coverage, kamunang live coverage basta radyo ibandira mo.
Atubangan diri sa duha nga tusis mo ang mga opisyalis.
Mga tipik no sa atong mga nahimo kay Kuya Tabigong Domingo. Shout out po sa tanan ng mga viewers karong buntag dinhi sa Capitol Ground, Malaybalay City Bukidnon. Ayon ang video Bambira sa pagpabilis karong buntaga. So salamat.
This is heartfelt gratitude to the local government of Bukidnon for their unwavering dedication in organizing this event. Sakto si Gobnel nga atong tagaag masipang pakpak ang nag-organize ini pinanguluhan ni Vice Gov og ni Board RG Pipito. The beauty of Bukidnon but also highlights the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. What a crucial role events like this play in promoting tourism in the Philippines. Through celebrations like Kaamulan, we attract visitors from far and wide, eager to immerse themselves in the unique experience offered by our indigenous celebration to contribute to the economic growth and development of our region. We owe a debt of gratitude to all who have worked tirelessly to organize and support like this festival year after year. Their dedication and passion are the driving forces behind the success of this festival, and we are immensely grateful for their efforts. Let us all affirm our commitment to preserving and promoting our cultural heritage, even in our day-to-day lives. Together, let us ensure that flame of tradition burns bright for generations to come. So, love Kaamulan Festival, love Malaybalay Bukidnon, love the Philippines. Daghang salamat kanatong tanan.
Daghang salamat Department of Tourism, Ms. Cristina Garcia Frasco, represented by Yusek Ferdinand Caniete Humapaw.
Alright, palakpakan natin once again, Undersecretary Humapaw.